and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's get started with today's instant Rava Dosa and coconut chutney recipe. Now here I've taken exactly 1 cup of very fine Rava or semolina, 1 cup of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can use maida, and half a cup of yogurt or dahi. And I'm also going to be using some salt to taste. Now I have a recipe of how to make your own dahi or curd at home. I will leave a link below. Now I'm going to add this semolina or this rava to my bowl, mixing bowl in which we're going to make our batter. Next I'm going to add my rice flour. Then we will add in the dahi or the curd. Next, we are going to add some salt to taste. And then we're going to mix all of this well. Now we're going to add a little water at a time. And we're going to whisk this till we get a very smooth and runny batter. We don't want a very thick batter like a dosa batter. We want a very runny batter. So your batter should have this kind of runny, liquidy consistency. Now we're going to cover and set this aside for at least an hour. Now we're going to heat our iron pan. And now when we're ready to make the dosa, see the batter, it is nice and runny like this. We're going to add in some light green chillies, some grated ginger and some chopped up curry leaves. Now I leave all the ingredients along with their exact measurements in the description box below. Now ensure that your iron tava or your dosa tava that you use regularly is nice and hot. Now we're just going to brush a little oil on the tava. And we're going to stir the batter once and we're going to pour it in this manner, starting from the edges and then moving towards the center. And you have to get this kind of porous kind of a dosa. Now let the dosa cook really nice and well on a low to medium flame till the edges start to brown. So this should take you at least half a minute or sometimes even up to a minute. But this takes some time for the dosa to really crisp up. Now if you don't want a very crispy dosa, then the minute the edges turn brown, you can flip it off. But if you want a real nice crispy rava dosa, then just wait for it to become nice and brown. And all the edges have to nicely brown up. Now you can see that all the edges have turned nice and brown. And now I can just loosen up the dosa and then flip it. Now we want to cook this on the lower side too for at least, a little, at least half a minute or even less than half a minute, for a few seconds till it browns nicely on the lower side too. And then we're going to flip it and then just turn it in this fashion and serve it in your plate. So this is how you're going to, just continue till you're done with the batter or, how many ever dosas you want to make. And our dosa is ready. And now I'm just going to show you a quick chutney recipe which you can make to accompany this dosa. It's very simple, friends. So here all I have used is some green chili, some lime, some chopped up garlic and some ginger, grated ginger. I'll leave all the instructions in the description box below. Some fresh grated coconut, some coriander, some salt and sugar. So I just added all of that to my mixer, and I'm just going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, and I'm just going to grind this, adding very little water, maybe just about a tablespoon or two, till I get this type of a coarsely ground chutney. And that's it, friends. Your instant Rava Dosa and coconut chutney is all ready, so you can make this for your breakfast and enjoy it. So friends, wasn't it really simple and with very few ingredients? So I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you give it a try, and if you do, then don't forget to leave your comments in this comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And once you do that, then also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, a little bell will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a video or a recipe, you'll be the first one to know. You'll get a message for the same. Also, to find me on YouTube, just type the recipe you're looking for, and on the side of it or the next to it, just type Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for chicken curry, just write chicken curry, Akshata's recipes, and all my chicken curry recipes will come up. Also, I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and I have my own blog page. All links will be down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, stay at home, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you in my next recipe and next video sooner than you think. Take care, guys. Bye.